Inside a modern factory, precision meets power. Today, we're stepping behind closed doors to explore how a ballistic missile is made, from raw materials to advanced engineering. You won't believe the level of technology involved. Stay with me till the end, and don't forget to like and drop a comment if you love factory process videos like this.
Hold at this height. Align to the left. Almost there.
Visible issues. Midsection panel secure. Markings are good.
Good. Tail assembly next.
Tail clear. Locks engaged.
Up slow and steady. Good, hold it there.
At the heart of the factory, engineers focus on structural assembly and advanced propulsion integration. Every component is measured with microscopic precision, ensuring balance, durability, and controlled performance. This is where cutting-edge machinery and skilled technicians transform complex parts into a unified system.
Operator, lower the second stage. Slow and steady. Good descent. Hold at this height. Align to the left. Almost there. Team, commence final walk down. Check all seams and panels.
Roger. Nose cone clear. No visible issues. Midsection panel secure. Markings are good.
Good. Tail assembly next.
Tail clear. Locks engaged. The weld here looks solid, no anomalies. Increasing contrast on this joint for a better view.
All secure. Straps are tight.
Looks good, thanks.
You're clear to go.
What you've just seen is a glimpse inside a modern, high-tech manufacturing environment where engineering, automation, and human expertise come together with extraordinary precision. From structural fabrication to propulsion integration and final inspection, every stage follows strict quality control standards and advanced industrial processes. Factories like this represent the peak of modern manufacturing capability, where even the smallest measurement matters. Robotics, CNC systems, automated testing chambers, and highly trained specialists all work in synchronization to achieve flawless results. If you found this factory process fascinating and want to see more behind-the-scenes industrial production videos, make sure you support the channel. Like this video, comment below with what factory process you'd like to see next, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into advanced manufacturing around the world. Stay curious, stay engineering focused, and I'll see you in the next factory tour.